Hey guys, RTT back here for that video, guys. Today we're going to talk about the Oculus Quest 2, 120 Hertz, and Air Link modes coming soon in a new update. So pretty much what this means is that now, yes, it will be updated and you can get 120 Hertz on your Oculus Quest 2. Honestly, I talked about this in a previous video way back, and I said this was an idea that they said they might do, and now that it's finally coming, this is actually freaking amazing. I mean, 120 Hertz in a VR headset, man, I gotta say, Oculus is doing amazing job at, really perfecting the VR game. And I've said this a million times, I'm so excited to see what the VR game can turn into and how it actually can, change up a little bit even more and more as time goes on. Now, the second thing we have here is Air Link modes coming soon, a new update. So if you guys have been following the channel, I unboxed the Oculus Quest 2 and Quest 1. I think it actually works for both. The actual cable that lets you be able to plug into the computer and actually connect your Quest 2 to the computer through cable. Now, this lets you be able to actually, maneuver your desktop and do stuff on your desktop and really just, I guess, unlock the full power and potential of the Oculus Quest 2. We see this with other VR headsets like the Rift and the Rift S, where you can actually, those are tethered headsets to the computer, where it uses the power of the computer to run the VR headsets, rather than the Quest 1 and 2, which are standalone headsets. You put them on, you don't have no computer needed. Now, this actually is going to, through the airwaves, let you be able to do the exact same thing without having to buy the $70 cable. Which, to be honest, I'm interested to see how this ends up going. I will definitely say I'm going to give it a chance. I'm going to see how it works. I'll probably review it for the channel. But other than that, I probably will stick with my cable, because I'm going to guess there's going to be a lot of hiccups here and there. And if you guys are kind of new to Quest, you might not know about this, but there is an application. It costs like $20. I think it's like $15, $20. It's called Virtual Desktop. And it's the same concept. You can actually literally install it on your computer, install it in your Quest headset, and go anywhere you want around your whole entire house and control your desktop from your computer. From your Quest 2. You control your whole entire computer setup. Now, of course, that doesn't take advantage or power from your computer to run these games, but it is the same concept. So if you are 100% like, oh my god, I can't spend that $70 for the cable, you can always just go ahead and buy a $20 cable, and you can buy a $20 application and get the same concept, except not the power part of it, because obviously the power is important. But guys, we also have another update, and that's going to be going more into the Quest wireless Air Link. So, like I said, we just covered a little bit. Let's go ahead and talk about what this article says and kind of break down the information of the article. So Oculus has a huge updates for the Quest 2, including Air Links that will let you wirelessly play VR games and native support for 120 Hertz. As announced, Oculus Quest Air Links builds upon the Oculus Links feature that lets you compatible USB-C cable to connect to a gaming PC in Quest to allow the PC VR games to be played. So obviously, yes, you can play games with VR headset from the computer. Oculus Air Link is the next evolution and allows Quest 2 to connect to a gaming PC through Wi-Fi, and again, saving you the $70 cable, letting users take advantage of PC VR games like Half-Life without the cables. The feature will be launching in experimental mode. Oculus notes that while the Link will still provide the highest visual as possible through a strong Wi-Fi connection, we'll be able to experience this now untethered way to use the Quest 2. So, like I said, I like the concept. I love the concept. I just know there will be some hiccups, and as long as you're okay with the hiccups, in all honesty, there's no issue at all. I mean, you have no issue at all as long as you're okay with the hiccups. There will be some hiccups, but that's pretty much it. in all honesty. It saves you $70. And I know a lot of people who are ticked off about the whole concept of having to spend $70 for a cable. And also, not only that, I will say this, it is kind of annoying to have a cable on the side of your head plugged into your PC the whole entire time. It's kind of annoying. The reason why you get the Quest 2 is to avoid that issue at all. Avoid any kind of tethered cables. So I'm excited about this. I'm very much excited about this. I think it's going to be a really cool thing. And like I've always said, I love when they advance even more technology in the VR world, because I think it just adds more and more stuff to make it better and better. And we're going to see much more improvements as time goes on. I think Oculus is doing a really good job on this whole entire platform. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy this video, hit the like, subscribe, and down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.